In here, I have now added onion powder. Got, if I can find it, garlic powder. Some chili flakes. Some onion powder. And a squirt of lime juice. That is optional. Alright, let's get after it. Alright, we got a gravy going. I can't tell. It's too bright out here, but... Alright, now I'm just going to dump this into there. Make a full-fledged sauce out of this. You could just dump in your soy sauce and all your seasonings and just mix it up in the bag it came in, which would be this one for me. You could do that, and this would be a pretty good no-cook meal. Oh, and we're also going to top it with sesame seeds. These macadamia nuts. Just put a little bit in this Ziploc bag left over from the cornstarch and brown sugar, and I'm going to crush them up. You'll see what I do. Alright, this is what we're working with here. Let me see if I can pick it up before I roll it up. Got the macadamias on there for crunch. Plus they're one of the highest calorie densities per ounce. Plus you got sesame seeds on there. Got some mango, some pineapple, got some sauce and some chicken. Looks good to me. Alright.